and Assalamualaikum. My name is Anis Najwa binti Ismail.
My name is Nur Ifadamia binti Muhammad Sanizan.
My name is Nur Amalina binti Sulaiman. Today, I would like to introduce you to our project that we have created, which is Goat Farm Alarm.
Introduction. Goat farm alarm is an alarm detector, which means to detect if there is any goats that passing through the gate, so that the farmer will alert if the goats get out from the pen. This alarm detector will give response to the farmer if there is a thief trying to steal or the goats get out from the pen, to avoid any missing goats incidents in everyday life, which will also means causing loss for farmer. Problem statement. Time technology come up and need to upgrade for easier human tasks. Most of people nowadays are multitasking and did more than one task at one time. In that case, this project is built to be one of the advantages for humans to make their everyday work easier. The purpose of this invention is to save time so that the goat herd can multitask and not just focusing on doing one task at a time. Objective: to design and implement a working goat farm alarm protective to make everyday work easier and user-friendly by using goat farm alarm. To give fast response and aware to farmer if there is a goat get out from the pen. Product description. We use one set of Arduino Uno R3 with price of 42 ringgit and 60 cents that consists of 6 items that are Arduino Uno R3, jumper wire, breadboard, LED, resistor and buzzer. Other devices are ultrasonic distance sensor for 4 ringgit and 50 cents, slide switch 40 cents, LCD for 5 ringgit and 90 cents, and push button for 40 cents. The total cost for this project is 54 ringgit and 80 cents.
This is processing system of the goat farm alarm. The input are battery and ultrasonic distance sensor. Meanwhile, the output are buzzer, LED and LCD. The programming flowchart of goat farm alarm system starting with power supply by battery. Electric flow through wire make red LED lights up, shows that the system is on. When the goats pass through the boundary, ultrasonic distance sensor detects moving object. Thus, the alarm will ringing. Then yellow LED lights up and LCD displays goats out. To off the buzzer's sound, reset button need to push. Hence, green LED take turn to lights up. LCD will change to displays OK notes. Lastly, alarm will stop ringing. This is the circuit diagram of the goat farm alarm system by designing it in Thinkercad software. Before we make real physical components and program the code of goat farm alarm system in the Arduino IDE, at first, we test the code by using Thinkercad Arduino simulator, as it is visual representation of a real-world Arduino system. The project result: when ultrasonic distance sensor detect object, the buzzer will on, yellow LED lights up and LCD displays goes out. In order to off the buzzer, after push the reset button, LCD will change to OK notes. In order to show photographically with true visualizations, this is the goat farm alarm system animation simulation by using SolidWorks Visualize. The situation in this animation simulation, the farmer is forget to lock the gate of the pen, thus the goat easily to get out from their pen.
After conducting this project, the discussions that we can make is if there is no object in the radar and the red light will always lights up and the buzzer will remain silent. Secondly, the buzzer will automatically shut off after pressing the reset button. Third, the circuit will turn into the initial setup again after no presence of objects. When the sensor detects the presence of object, the yellow LED will turn on and the LCD will display goats out, while the red LED immediately turn off. Fourth, after pressing the reset button, green LED will lights up and the LCD will display OK noted, while yellow LED will lights out immediately. In conclusion, based on the project that have been carried out, which is goat farm alarm, it was considered successful. The project objective is to give fast response and aware to the farmer if there is goat get out from the pen that may lead to an unexpected accident. The objectives of this project have been achieved by doing a complete analysis and make a new programming language into a product. The purpose of altering the coding was to provide alarm and signal or precautions to acknowledge people using the ultrasonic distance sensor, LED and LCD. Last but not least, this project shows that all knowledge from this subject have successfully implemented. That is all from us. Here, we attach the prototype video goat farm alarm system at the real farm with Arduino kit. The video animation is created based on the real situation that we are about to show, where the farmer is forgot to lock the goat of the pen. The goats get out from the pen. Luckily, our invention could avoid this incident to happen. Let's watch our video animation. That is all from us. Thank you.